Greetings. This is the ancient one, February 18th. Winter day here in Georgia. It was 36 this morning. It's up to about 46 now. It's going to be about 50, maybe 54 later. So I'm going to get out and hit some balls. But I had this chance to show you a short clip how the ratcheting effect works with this rope. So without further ado, I'm going to quickly pick it up here. So I've got it attached to this pipe, the ground. You could use a dog anchor, any stake. So I'm going to pull this like a lawnmower pull. So it works like this. I hope you can pick that up. Now the golf swing works the same way. So we pull it back, pull it back. It's this ratcheting move. So we make a little loop here. We're going back like the base of your haul, as far as your arms will go. Then they go inside. Here, 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 here. This is over, this is under. It's this move. And it looks something like that. So I hope that rang some bells. Some light bulbs went off. Cheers, stay warm. Get outside, enjoy this good weather. I'm out every day regardless, unless it's really raining. We had some snow earlier. But cheers, love y'all. Out later.